This is an old school bus. We turned it into an RV. At Alt-Ed, it's always nice when we can do a lot of different things. Our students took the time during our afternoon classes, and we'd have maybe an hour to an hour and a half a day, depending on the weather as well, to convert the bus into an RV. When we first got this bus, every student was out here painting it. It has everything you need. It has running water. We did winterize it. We do have a toilet and the shower with the sink. Both of those are tied together. And they have their own black water tank that's just directly under here. The toilet goes to its own tank. They are hooked up to a lighting system in the bus so that you'll know if you're full or getting down low or anything like that. So it is like a fully functioning RV. It has all of those bells and whistles. We have a gas stove, just a normal fridge, just a small one that could fit in here reasonably well. We have plenty of storage underneath the jackknife couch here that makes into a bed. There are seat belts for the couch, so everybody will be safe. Structurally, this is very, very sound. We used 2x4s for the most part. There's storage in the cabinets. It'll sleep 6, but probably, 5 comfortably. We also have little cubbies for them. An outlet here with USB ports, which I felt like we needed to start doing that. And then there's storage underneath each one of the bunk beds. I also wanted to keep the heater from the bus. We did add an extra heater, which is on this side, that will heat back here, and it also runs underneath the bottom bunk and out by the refrigerator. Then we have our air conditioner. These are Murphy beds. They pop down. They can make one big bed if you'd like, or 2 separate, and there are 2 separate cushions and everything for each one of them. Whoever purchases the bus will get a generator, and then the propane tank for all of the gas, because the hot water tank is gas and the heater is gas and the stovetop is gas. We put an epoxy on the floor that people mostly use in their garages. Most people, when they're RVing, you're going to be outside quite a bit, so I wanted to make sure we had some kind of a surface to work with. We have a rolled out sidewalk with fire hoses and pallet boards. When the bus is running, everything is functioning. You can even plug the refrigerator in to the converter so that you can have it while you're driving. Otherwise, when you finally stop, you can get the electrical cord right here to hook up outside at any of your campsites. The students have done a really good job. Myself and Jeff Kennedy, another fellow teacher, helped with putting this together. The main reason in bringing it to Alt-Ed was to give those students an opportunity to learn some life skills into electric and plumbing and carpentry work. And to me, they had to have learned a lot, and plus being able to cut the wood, understand the different grains and how that works and stuff like that. I wanted to elicit as much information and help from the kids as possible to let them be a part of something outside of themselves, something bigger, to realize that they can actually do something on their own. I think they took a lot of pride in working on the bus, and I think they were pretty impressed at what they actually could accomplish.